Where my mutters at? What's up, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today we are back out in Azusa Canyon OHV for what was supposed to be an epic day of wheeling, which it might still be. We'll see. But we had some updates happen throughout the week. First off, the canyon went through a major flash flood again recently, and they drained the dam that's kind of, holding all the water. So the water level has dropped significantly in the last week or so. So we've had some big changes to the park, and you can already see them where I'm standing right now. So all this on the floor, this is like stuff you typically find at the bottom of a wash, which means it's all come from the canyon up there. But look at our obstacle course. What the hell happened? It's like 3 feet under dirt right now. That's an obstacle, that's an obstacle, that's an obstacle. And we still have that one over there, but this is all filled up. I'm mind blown right now. I'm freaking mind blown. Now, to continue off of the major changes that have been happening, we were supposed to have a bunch of people come out, some of the big Azusa Mudders guys, and as well as some others. But unfortunately, there was a helicopter accident on Highway 39, which caused us to have Highway 39 closed, which means you had to go the long way to get here. So everybody that's here today at Azusa Canyon, appreciate you guys, because you guys had to drive a long way, and with these gas prices, we know the struggles for sure. I'm curious who's here, who we're gonna see today, but I definitely want to give you guys an update on the park currently, because like I said, a few things have changed, and I know there's some good mud out there and there's some big things happening, so we're gonna check out all that stuff today. So without further ado, we're gonna get to the water crossing, we're gonna show you some other stuff, and we're gonna go from there. Let's get it, guys. So I'm still kind of in shock from that obstacle course business, because that tells me if that part of the park looks like that, I can't imagine what the rest looks like. Heading over to the water crossing now. Let's see. Nothing too crazy there. We're solid. Take it out of 4-wheel drive. Away we go. So it looks like water crossing over here is a little low. A little low. All right, let's see. Are we gonna make it? Or are we gonna get stuck? Oh, that's soft. All right, we got some soft stuff here. 4-wheel drive it is. You got it. Yeah, this is really soft. So we've made it to water's edge. Actually, the water level's still kind of high, although you do have all this right here. Now, this looks dry and it looks drivable, but this stuff's deceiving, because usually the ground floor is probably, I want to say, maybe 3 or 4 feet below that. So that tells me this is all water and mud. So you break through this little crust going on right there. You probably got about 6 inches of sand. You break through that and it's going to be mud that goes down for feet. It'll be a lot of fun. But you can even see right here, there's some mud. Some guys look like they've already tried to go through there. Let's walk. Let's go. Oh yeah. So you see that? It's all buoyant. Oh yeah. This is the good stuff. We need a mudder. Where are the mudders? Found the good shit, huh? Damn.
There you go. There you go.
Oh yeah, his brakes are gonna sound great.
12 seconds later.
Oh! That did not take long. Get the winch! Get the winch! Oh, that's some good old-fashioned mud right there, sir. The party's here! Here's Slim! Well, hello there! Hey, bro, sick ass shirt! Ciao! Hey! Oh, you guys are twinning! We're gonna pull who? JP first? Okay. I love bear guts. Don't stop. Oh, he's done. Hit the limiter! No way. Okay, he's done. Done. Now he's done. Right next to Slim. Hey, go flex out his tire. What? What? New record! Alright, after like an hour and a half, let's get this fucker out of here.
We're locking up.
Hey, welcome back, I guess. Sheesh.
Oh, yeah.
Throwback as fuck right here. Oh! Oh, shit! fucking Slim. Oh my god.
Oh, what did you do?
Slim, man.
Oh, fuck. Auto's on light bar for the win.
Hey. For those night runs, huh?
Yeah.
For the night runs.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh,
A la madre. It's over. All right, so update. Slim blew 3 tires.
fucking beads.
3 beads, and it smells like clutch. If you want to know why, because clutch. So that's his only working tire. So we're currently trying to get him out of Oak Bench. And that's how we end our day. So Highway 39 is closed, but we get an all access pass in order to get Slim all loaded up, so it's all fun. No sirve, güey.
Vale pito.
Is that it? We're good? Celebration noise everywhere. Always celebration. A little bit more. All good now, loaded up, huh? Sheesh. Slim, you gonna be back next week?
Yeah, with the supporters of Dirt Nation.
Team recovery out here. All right, we're finally all wrapped up here. Thanks for sticking around, watching us get Slim back on the trailer. It's getting dark. We're gonna get out of here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channels, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You guys hit us up for shirts, hats, hoodies, and those other goodies at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. Tune in next time. We're most likely gonna be back next weekend, because if Highway 39 was closed today, and a lot of people didn't end up coming, and we had this much of a party, just imagine when it's opened up and we got everybody coming out. So tune in next time. Thank you guys. Let's get it.